Guys, I've been meaning to do this for a long time, but I think it's time and I have a very strong pull to do it. Aap pakdo. So basically, I've been talking a lot about perimenopause and menopause. And I've been shocked how many people are clueless just like me, and how something so normal that we should know how to navigate and we are clueless. As a woman, if you are born, it means that you will hit perimenopause and menopause. And yet we are clueless. So this page is dedicated to all things women, all things that we go through, all things that we're clueless about. So let's bring in different kinds of people, research I've done, things that I've found helpful. I'm going to share it all. Let's go. దీనికి పెరిమెనోపాజ్ పిచ్చి ఎందుకు పట్టిందని అనుకుంటున్నారా? I'll give you one fact which blew my mind away, and I thought, okay, this information every woman needs to know in the entire world. There are only 5 mammals in all of evolution that have menopause. 5 mammals in the entire evolution. What are these 5? 3 of them are in the ocean. Really? Who are the other 2? They're elephants and humans. So we are the only 2 mammals on land that get menopause, which means we are the only 2 mammals that have the zeal to have the second set of our phase of our lives that we can take control over. Make the mammals only, they're making babies until they die. We don't need to. We have another 40-50 years of us living in our prime life. But do we really do that, or say aipo in the life? What are the right vitamins for you? All the best. Basically, you have to take your omega-3s, your multivitamin. Then depending on what you need for your body, is it collagen, is it vitamin C, it is calcium, vitamin D with K2, NAD+, IV dwara or injection dwara, depending on, I don't know, now again some studies are saying NAD+ is not doing what we thought it's doing. But don't take NAD+ without NMN. Only if you combine it will you have the real benefits. Magnesium is going to waste without zinc. And then these are all supplements of Pakanaite. You need protein, you need your creatine, you need, creatine with taurine is better, but you only get creatine. And then, of course, your collagen. And don't forget your prebiotics. Side note, did you know that once elephants hit menopause, the oldest female becomes the leader of the herd, and she guides the rest of the elephants because a woman in menopause is the most wisest. She's lived a life, had babies, been a mother. She's seen what life is, and she's better to lead. If only humans also did this, no? That would be amazing. There is so much, ladies. I'm really excited about this journey that I'm taking in my optimum health. Inni samachralu I did what was right by me. I am pretty active, all of you know. It doesn't matter how active, how inactive, if you're doing all the right things, perimenopause is coming at you, and menopause, and what are you doing about it? So I'm bringing all this knowledge to you so you start questioning. If you're in the age of 35 and above, and your life has been the same job, husband still nice to you, kids are in school, one day you wake up and say, something's off. Something is triggering differently. I've always been a nice person. Suddenly the same thing just affects me differently. Yeah, these are all your first signs of perimenopause. Your hot flashes, mood swings, all that will come. It'll add on. But before that itself, for you to say something is off is your marker to say, okay, let's go check our hormones. Most gynecologists also don't know. So go do your research. There's enough information out there. Take care of your bodies and your health. now. Sorry guys, I didn't want to overwhelm you, but it is the truth. In Q10 lo migta skin peptides in hair growth ki banni goda japla nenu. As you get older, and especially as women, we need to really look at our supplements, because collagen anedi stops producing in our body when we're 20 years old. After that, it's only decline. So, when all that wrinkles that start happening is because you don't have collagen. Everything, your hormones, once they start saying, oh, we're going to start shutting down, every part of your body affects, your bone density 20% bodhanta perimenopause low. 20% is not a joke, guys, and it's in every woman. Every year, 3% collagen you lose in your body throughout your perimenopause phase.